Go.
When I don't have to do it.
No.
You can do it, Christopher.
I don't know what to.
Fine. Right, delete that.
Welcome to Club Not 14, written by Jacob, Christopher, Zara and Adelaide. We're in the garden. Let's go for a walk in the woods.
Yeah, I love the woods.
We might find a bear.
Change scene. I'm doing the curtains. I'm going to do the curtains. What are those rocks for?
It's a cave.
Let's go check it out.
Where is the curtain?
Okay, open curtains.
I'm going to eat you.
One, two, three.
Run away! I'm hungry. Run away again!
We're back home in the garden, and we will never, ever, ever go in the forest ever again. The end.